Good morning, dear students. So, today we are going to start our next topic, that is food chain. So, first of all, we have to know about the definition of food chain. Food chain is actually a series of organisms in which one organism eats another organism as food. In which you can see like that grass is eaten by deer, and deer is further eaten by lion. So, it is a food chain which is always connected. As deer is a herbivore, so it eats grass, and lion is a carnivore, so it eats deer. You can see in here, for example, in forest, this is the food chain in forest. So what happens in forest? Plants are eaten by deer, and further deer is eaten by lion. So it is the simplest food chain. If we talk about grassland, in grassland what happens? Grass is eaten by grasshopper. So grasshopper is a herbivore. Grasshopper is further eaten by frog. Frog is further eaten by snake, and snake is further eaten by vulture or eagle. So it is also a food chain. It is in grassland. If we talk about food chain in a pond, so in a pond what happens? This is phytoplanktons. Phytoplanktons are the small plants present in plant water. So phytoplanktons are eaten by zooplanktons. Zooplanktons are the small organisms present in the water. Zooplanktons are further eaten by small fish, or you can say fish, and this fish is further eaten by large organism. So you can see here that one organism eats another organism, and this is a food chain. So in a food chain, various steps where transfer of energy takes place is called a trophic level. Trophic level, you can say the step at which the transfer of energy takes place, flow of energy between trophic levels. So here you can see that our first major source is the sunlight is the major source of energy. So from sunlight, producers produce the food, means plants prepare their food with the help of sunlight. So from sunlight, the energy which is released from sun is used by the producers, but not completely. Only 1% of the energy which is released by sun is used by the producers, or you can say plants. Now producers are eaten by herbivores. Herbivores eat the producers, and in turn herbivore is eaten by carnivore, and carnivore is eaten by top carnivore. So you can see here that the energy is transferred between trophic levels. This is first trophic level, this is second trophic level, this is third, and this is fourth. Okay. So flow of energy in a food chain is unidirectional. How you can say it is unidirectional? Because you can see that herbivores can't eat the carnivores, means the flow of energy takes place in this manner only. Means from producers the energy pass on to herbivore, from herbivore the energy pass to carnivore, and from carnivore to top carnivore. But it doesn't happen that the energy will transfer from carnivore to herbivore. Is it possible? No, because herbivore animal can't eat the carnivore animal, simply. So we can say that the flow of energy is always unidirectional. Okay. And so green plants capture 1% of the sunlight and convert it into food energy. As I told you, the sunlight which is released from the sun, only 1% of sunlight is used by the green plants to prepare their food. Now there is one law, that is the 10% law. What is this law? This law states that only 10% of energy is transferred to the next trophic level. The remaining 90% energy is used in the processes like digestion, growth, reproduction, etc. by present trophic level. What is the meaning? That if 100% energy is available to plants, for example, if plants have 100% energy, then herbivore will get only 10% of its energy. Means 10% energy is passed on to next trophic level, and 90% energy is used by the plant itself for the various activities. And from this 10% only 0.1%, 0.1% energy is passed to carnivores, and if there is top carnivore also, then there will be only 0.01% energy. So we can say that only 10% is an energy is passed from one trophic level to another trophic level. 90% energy is used by the plant for plant, or you can say trophic levels, for various life activities. So due to this gradual decrease in energy, food chains contain 3 or 4 trophic level. You can see here that maximum 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 trophic levels are here, because there is gradual decrease in energy. So finally, top carnivore, or you can say tertiary consumer, will not get enough amount of energy to pass on further. Okay, so you can say here that producers has very large amount of energy, primary consumers have low energy, secondary consumers have further low, and tertiary consumer also get low amount of energy. So this is the pyramid of energy, and this is upright. That means when we go from one trophic level to another trophic level, the energy level grows down, जो है energy level कम हो जाएगा. For example, trophic levels decrease in energy if 1 kilojoule is present in plant. Sorry, this is opposite. If 100 kilojoule is present in plant, then from 1000 it goes to 100, from 100 it is 10, and finally 10 to 1 kilojoule. So the energy level is grows down according to the trophic levels. Next topic we will study here, that is biological magnification. What is the meaning of biological magnification? The concentration of harmful chemicals increases with every next trophic level in a food chain. This is called biological magnification. Means when the poisons are harmful chemicals are eaten by, for example, harmful chemicals are eaten by deer. So if deer is eaten by lion, so the amount of harmful substance, you can say concentration of harmful substance, increases at each trophic level. This is called biological magnification. Maximum concentration of such chemicals get accumulated in human bodies at human occupy the top level in any food chain. Means maximum concentration gets accumulated in human beings because we are the top carnivore. You can say ki we are the toppest animal because we can eat herbivores also, we can eat plants also. Okay, as we are omnivorous.